Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't leave your comment at the comment section. Today, we're going to study multiplying monomial by polynomial using laws of exponent. All right. So we have here multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So to multiply a polynomials, you must remember that each term of one polynomial must be multiplied by each term of the other polynomials. To multiply a monomial, we use the product rule for exponents. So product for rule for exponents, we have a raised to m times a raised to n, that is equals to a raised to m plus n. Okay. Okay, so please let us continue. Let's have example number A. Letter A, we have 4x squared, then 5x cubed. So we multiply 4 and 5. So we get here 4 times 5. And then we add the exponents. So 2 plus 3. Okay, so 20. And then we have 20x to the fifth power. In here, we have 3x squared y times 4x to the fifth y cubed. So we have 3 times 4, okay, and then x2 plus 5 and y plus. Okay, so we have this final answer, 12, no, x to 7, y 14. So when multiplying a monomial by a polynomial that contains more than 2 times, we can use the expanded form of the distributive property. So we have here the distributive property in expanded form. You have A times B plus C plus C up to rate N. So that's AB, AC, or AB plus AC. That means we need to distribute this one, and this one, and this one, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's how we use the distributive property. Okay, for example, we have 2x times 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So we can use this one, no, like this, no. Okay, so yeah. That means we multiply 2x times 3x squared minus 2x times 4x plus 2x times 1. That is 6, no, x cubed minus 8x squared plus 2x. Correct. Right. The FOIL method. Consider A plus B times AC plus D. So F stands for the first, multiply the first terms. So the first terms are A and C. No? O stands for outer. We multiply the outer terms. We have the A and D. Okay. So the product of AD. Then I stands for inner. Multiply the inner terms together. So we have BC, or the product is BC, and L stands for last. Multiply the last terms together. We have B and D, so the product is BD. The product of two binomials is the same, is the sum of their four products. So or A plus B times C plus D is equals to AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Okay? Okay, so let's have this. We can multiply a binomial using the FOIL method. Okay, so we have the first term. These are the 7x and the times 2x plus the outer term, which is 7x times 4, plus the inner term, which is 3 times 2x plus 3, the last term, which is 3 times 4. So for the first term, the product is 4x squared plus the outer is 24 times 7, of course 28x. And then the inner term is 6x plus 12. So we have 4 then x squared plus 34x plus 12. Okay, so this is the product of um, using the FOIL method. Please try to memorize this one. Okay, so we have 2x no, times 5x minus 3. So we have 2 times 5x or 2x times 5x plus 2x times 3. So because we need to use the this pattern here, no, and this is for multiplication or we use distributive property, no. So we have 10x squared minus 6x. Another example we have here, 2x squared y times 3x squared y squared. So we got 2 times 3, of course, 6. 2 plus 2, that is 4, x raised to 4. And then y squared times 3, so we have y raised to 4 cube. Yeah. Then we have here 3 times 4, 12, x to the fourth y. And then we have 3 times 3, that's 9, x square y. Okay. And then we have here minus, no, because 3 positive, so we have 7. No, no, no. 7 times 3, that's 21. 21, wait, burahin mo natin. Ang hirap makita eh. 21, x square, y square. Because wala sila parehas. Just copy. Next, we have uh, 3, ayan, 3x squared times 2a cubed b. So we have 6a 6b minus 15 a cube b plus 3 times 3, that is 9, a square b square. Okay, I think number 4, just do it on your own, no? Madali lang ito. Or sige, gawin na rin din natin. Okay? We have 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Diba? Ay, okay, dito tayo, no? Then we have 2 plus 3, we have a5. It's 2 plus 3, and then 2 plus 1, that's b cubed. Minus 4 times 5 is 20. 20 a cubed b cubed plus uh, 4 times 7. Ay, 4 times 3 pala, sorry. That's 12. 2 plus 1 for a, so we have a cubed. And then b square. b, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. We have 2 times 3 is 6. 6x minus 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so for here, I will do the ano no the number one. We have x square plus 3x. Okay, so just do the ano, yung distributive property, and you can do it on your own. Okay, so number one is bonus. Okay, in here I will go also for number 11 as bonus. So we have here 12 times 3 is 36. 36 x square plus 12 times 9. Okay, 12 times 9. We have 9 times 2 is 18. Bring down 8, carry 1. 9 times 1, 9 plus 1, 10. That's 108. Okay, so the product is 36x squared plus 108. 8x. Okay, so don't forget the variable. Okay, so that's it. All right, so before I go, please don't forget, remember, balance is not something you find, it's something you create. Okay, so thank you everyone and welcome back, grade 7, grade 8, I mean. So welcome back. I will be holding, my students now are cooperation, consistency, creativity, and courage. Guys, just go make it a habit to join me in my remedial class every Saturday or Sunday. Uh, so I'll just keep adjusting on myself na, mapagbigyan kayo lahat. Okay? Bye. Love you all.